Now we go on to the next product. So we always want to have some specialized products for babies because their skin is still young and not fully developed. And Atomy has this for babies. It's called Cerabebe, Cera from ceramide. So it's important because baby skin is so sensitive. And now we have pollution, fine dust, and everything in our environment. And their skin are so sensitive, they might not be able to handle that. So Atomy come up with these baby skin care products which contain a lot of ceramide, and they have highly purified ceramide technology, and um, they also use special ingredients to help with the skin, which is the fermented turmeric that is fermented with lactobacillus that will help with the skin too. They really want to explain uh, why ceramide is so important. So the outer skin of our body made of ceramide. This is the protein, but to make it stabilized is quite hard to put it in the product and keep it stabilized. So they have the technology to keep the ceramide in their products and working as it's supposed to, and ceramide will keep skin protected, have the skin barrier effect. So this is how they are so using the technology, and they study how this works. They show that look how much ceramide they can put in this product and how the skin will look, and this is the barrier that it can help your skin with. And it also gives the turmeric in the fermented form. So this also help the skin to be stronger and keep it moisturized. And because the ceramide stabilization is so hard to do, so they make that technology and patented it, and it make these products not only like help the skin protected, and it also have the like moisturizing effect on it without being sticky. I haven't used this product myself because my baby was a little bit bigger already, so I used just the body lotion. But the people that bought this baby, they were very impressed with it. But it's not available in Canada anymore. If you want to order, we have to order from Korea or the other mall. I think it's still available in Malaysia. And so this product is good for babies, very young, or anyone that has sensitive skin and wants to be more protected from the environment pollution. And it can be used on body or the face. So you don't have to use that big amount, so it will save you money too. And the price wise is about the price range of organic baby products. So those are not cheap, but with the quality and the PVs that we'll get, I recommend whoever has babies, they should try this, okay?